getting the air out of the system. We're refilling the sprinkler system. So how much air is it? How much air is in the sprinkler system? Well, there's a lot of air, and we can see here as the water is pushing the air out. It's very important to get the air outside of the system. Look. So here I have the ITV open, and I have the main supply valve about a quarter, actually a half a turn open, and see all the air is pushing out. You can see as I'm putting my foot here to block the air, you can hear all the air coming out. So that's very important to get the air out of your system, else you will have you can get false alarm, you can get problems with your pump, and you can get corrosion as well. There's all sorts of issues with having air in the system. It's nice when you're doing buildings like this, commercial building, because you will usually have an ITV at the end of the system, but in most high-rise it's very hard to get an air out on a second or a third, fourth floor. Pure air. That's just air that's built up in the system. So guys, all those who are working on the system, try your best to get all the air out. Good for the system, good for the client. It makes the system pump up a lot faster. Overall, it's just better. If we make it a practice to try and get the air out, I think it will all benefit for us in terms of wait time, and pumping up, refilling the system, and for the client, for them getting false alarm and getting corrosion. All right then, until next time, see you.